All right, so you guys are taking your assessment today, and it will be read to you. So I will read that. I'll read all the questions, all the answer choices as well, and kind of guide you through it. So we'll go ahead and start The Monkey and the Peas. Once upon a time, there was a king who loved to travel, but he didn't like to visit places in his own country. He thought that more beautiful sights could only be seen in other lands. One day, the king and his army were riding their horses through another strange new land. When they became tired, they set up a camp to rest. The horses were hungry, so the soldiers fed them peas. A monkey who lived in the forest was watching the king's men from a high tree. He saw the horses eating peas, so he jumped down from the tree to get some of the peas for his dinner. He quickly filled his mouth and hands with peas, then he climbed back up the tree. There he sat down to eat the peas. As he ate the peas, one pea fell from his hand to the ground. The monkey dropped all the peas he had in his hands. He ran down to look for the lost pea. The monkey could not find the one lost pea. The other peas the monkey had dropped rolled away. He climbed up the tree again and lay on its trunk, looking sad. The monkey was very disappointed. The king was watching the monkey from the camp. He said to himself, "To get one pea, that monkey threw away the rest. I would not be like this foolish monkey. He lost everything while trying to gain so little. I will go back to my own country. I will enjoy what I already have." So the king and his army rode back to their country. The king found many beautiful sights in his own land. All right. So remember, we're identifying the lesson that needed to be learned overall. Okay. So number one, this question has two parts. First, answer part A and then answer part B. So part A and part B are going to go together. So why does the king visit another country at the beginning of the story? A, to find more beautiful sights in other lands. B, to make sure his soldiers and his horses are safe. C, to see monkeys in his own country. Or D, to be king of more than one country. And then part B, you're just going to find in the text where it says that. Write the sentence from the story that helped you answer part A. So where in the story does it say the answer to this question? If you look in your text, it is in paragraph 1. So it's right at the beginning. Okay, paragraph 1. You could just write it word for word. You could actually say, in the text it says, and then tell me what it said. Okay. All right. Number 2, read the following sentences from paragraph 7 of the story. I would not be like this foolish monkey. He lost everything while trying to gain so little. What does the word foolish mean in this sentence? A, helpful. B, clumsy. C, silly. Or D, careless. What does foolish mean? All right, I'm going to read paragraph 6 of the story. The monkey could not find the one lost pea. The other peas the monkey had dropped rolled away. He climbed up the tree again and lay on its trunk. Looking sad, the monkey was very disappointed. Circle the word in paragraph 6 that best helps you know what disappointed means. Okay, what other word in this paragraph can you circle that kind of tells you what disappointed means? Okay, you need to circle one word in number 3 to help you identify what the word disappointed means. It almost means the same thing. There's just one word, okay? Number 4, which event from the story is most important to understanding the lesson or moral? So which one of these events best helped you understand what the lesson to be learned was? A, the king rides his horse through a new land. B, the soldiers give the horses peas to eat. C, the monkey watches the king's men from a high tree. Or D, the monkey drops all the peas to look for the lost one. I'm going to go ahead and end this video and start a new one because it's going to end.